Hi everyone, this is Sharon. I'd like to share with you today my November design team project for Luise Heinzl. What I made for this project is a wire-bound journal, and I used her Feliz Navidad ephemera kit and journaling pages kit. And when I saw her put those out, I knew immediately that this was the cover for the journal. I've had these boards in my craft room for some time, and the pinks and teals and soft colors in her book I thought would go really well with this. So on the cover I put this little angel, and inside on these spiral bound journals I always like to put a pocket or a side tuck on the front cover. I leave these very lightly embellished, set them up really as a writing journal. I like these kind of journals for writing because the pages flip really nice, and they lay flat. You can write this way. They're really set up nicely for that. So if we flip through, this is a page from the journal kit. In the colors, I just love really soft mauves and pinks and burgundies and teals. They give you just a really whimsical, kind of soft feeling. I've done some stenciling throughout the journal and added some book pages from a Christmas Carol book. In the ephemera kit, there are these snow globe images, and what I did is put a layer of acetate on the top, stitch that on, and fill it with some little fun things inside. And then on the back, I just used another one of the images. And this pocket is from the kit. On this page, I printed a Christmas image onto some vintage ledger paper. Here and throughout, I did some stenciling with paste and just gave it a little bit of a periwinkle color. On this page, I used a tag from the kit and created a little tuck spot. Here are a couple more tags. This is a page from a vintage book from the 80s that I have. It's a Christmas book, and it's got a lot of Christmas images and recipes. I just think these are fun pages to journal on. You can use the margins, and I would actually on this page probably write in these white spaces and use them for little notes or quotes or things. Here I use the back side of an old postcard that I have. It's a Christmas one. This page I created a tuck with that flag. These two pieces are from the ephemera kit, and I just created a fun little journaling card and a pocket. This is some of my coffee dyed paper. Another page from that Christmas book. And on this side, I created a corner tuck from a piece of ephemera and tucked in a little journaling card that I created from a catalog, Christmas catalog image. Here again, I printed this December calendar image onto ledger paper. On this page, I created a belly band, and I tucked this journaling card in there. I've got an angel on the top and some vintage music paper. A couple more tags from the kit, and I just stitched on some ribbon on the top. Tags, I just added some eyelets on those. more stenciling, and this is some Christmas washi. This is a page from a 1940s Life magazine, an ad for perfume. Here I stitched on a little ruffle. Created a corner tuck with a piece of ephemera and added a little paper lace on there. And then these two tags. This is a fabric tab and a ruffle. On this page, I created a side tuck with a piece of ephemera from the kit and just stitched it on. Here I added these two pieces of ephemera with an eyelet, and they just kind of swivel back and forth. Could write some secret things on the back. Here I've got a corner tuck again, some stenciling on the top, and this is another book page. And on the back I just stitched on a piece of coffee dyed paper, so there's a place to journal on there. This is the belly band from the kit, and I created a tag to go in there and backed that with some of the vintage music paper. Love that image of those children carrying all their Christmas goodies. Another shaker that I made. This is another page from that Life magazine from the 40s. I love the ads in those magazines. This is a Christmas one for food. And then on this side, Campbell's soup. And on the inside back cover, I created this envelope, embossed that. It's a glassine envelope. And inside there, I tucked these tags that are actually from Luise's Christmas Eve kit. They have the days of the month on those, and I thought those would be nice to stick in here in case somebody wanted to use this as a December daily. So that is my project for November. Enjoying making Christmas journals. I know it's a little early, but I guess you have to do that. So that's what I'll be doing from now on, probably till the end of November. Until next time, bye-bye.